unboxing the Normatec Elite Compression leg sleeves. Wasn't sure if I was going to make this video, but I don't care about the quality or anything like that. I just need to get this out because I'm going to use it immediately. We are week 3, starting week 4, post ACL surgery. And day 2 and 3 into this ACL surgery, I felt like I just needed my whole leg to be compressed. And so even on the back of this box, it says it's got 7 levels of compression, up to 4 hours of battery life. It's got the Hyperice technology for symmetrical massage, meaning evenly, and then also temporarily increases circulation and relieves minor aches and pains. And so my first time using this device was actually at Icebox. They had the one with the cord. This thing just came out and it is cordless. So excuse me one second, I'm going to get a knife, slit this thing open. Cat, get out of here. Cat, seriously. Stop. All right, going to cut this thing open here. Yeah, we got a big knife, just don't want to ruin the box. Looks like I'm already doing that. And we will cut and edit. Jesus Christ. Come on. We're supposed to open this bitch up. All right, we're open. So let's slide this bad boy out and check out our new leg sleeves. Like I said, use this at an Icebox. The cool thing is they have the freeze and squeeze, so you can go ahead and go in there and get your cryotherapy, and then as well, just get your squeeze and get the leg massage. And this was actually one of my favorite parts, although the cryotherapy was nice. Getting these leg compression sleeves was even sweeter, so let's check this out. Looks like maybe a little baggy. Big old sleeve, big old sleeve. So I got these because they're cordless. So with the 4 hours of battery life, I could just go ahead and plug these bad boys up, squeeze the legs, and again, it really helps with like the aches and the soreness. And I don't know if you've ever had surgery before, but that's what I wanted. Like day 2, I was just sitting there, just, you know, icing my knee and just rubbing my ankle because it was so tight and I just needed a massage. And right after surgery, you know, the leg's swollen and inflamed, and they don't really give you protocol. They just say you just need to heal and ice and use the machine. But in addition to that, you need some, like the Hypervolt by Hyperice. I was using that massage gun a ton, and then also just being able to use this. So instructions, I'm sure we can figure it out. Let's just put these back in the box. I'm going to try and make this video short and as sweet as possible. We got some instructions. Looks like we got a little charging kit. Hopefully it came pre-charged, so I can just go ahead and plug or just go ahead and turn this thing on and use it. So what we got here? A little charger. Alrighty, so we got a charger. And I'm going to try and bring this to Germany and Austria, so use this. So let's check this out. We got our charger here. Boom, discreet. Arlie, look, it's Hyperice. It's a charger, Arlie. You want it? Yeah, okay, you're good, Arlie. All right, so we got the charger. Looks like a big, giant Apple charger, I guess. Looks like you can just plug this into the wall, and it's got a couple of little dealios here. So we will undo this. Looks like it splices and goes into 2, 1 for each leg unit. So there's a charger. Here's the box. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, looks like a little baggie. So we are going to just open up the baggie. I guess this is, now it did have a little, when you get the black, which this wasn't, I guess it was a Black Friday deal, but they had a better backpack looking dealio. This looks like a little cheap baggie, kind of like something to put my snowboard helmet in, but we could just shove this in here and wear it like a backpack. So maybe I will use this like a backpack. And bam, you like Hyperice? You like Hyperice, Harley? Huh? No, it's not your baggie. All right, anyway, it's a little baggie. There's that. All right, bada bing, bada boom. Here's the main thing. So whenever I went to the Icebox cryotherapy, I would put these on, and you got to wear some socks. Some new socks, so if you're just all hot and sweaty from the gym, change your socks, change your pants and clothes, because these will get used a lot, and I plan on going to try and use these with some of my clients. So here's one of them, Normatec, big giant sticker, and got a button here on off. Looks like you just push that button, but before I do, I'm going to try and just throw this thing on. There's my trusty brace. Like I said, excuse the mess. I just need to get this video out fast. So let's get one of these on. We're gonna unzip, get my leg in here, and we're through. We're gonna sit back on the couch a little bit more and put this on. And that's what was sold me on these. I was like, screw it, let's just pay the extra $150 because I don't want to deal with cords. It looks like you just got an easy button and then level, time, zone, start, stop. So let's open up the other one. We will throw this on. It looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. And I guess when I'm done, I will fold it in half, cross it over, fold, fold, throw it in the bag. Coolio. Open this, foot inside. Oh, I can't wait. My right leg really needs this. Sit all the way back here. And, all right, let me go ahead and get this because my back, and don't worry, I will be turning this off before the video ends. Okay, so there's a little button here that says on off. So let's go ahead and hold it. Okay, on off. It says 30 minutes, level 3. I want to max this out. So it's pretty self-explanatory, I would show you. But, well, here, before I do, has the buttons on here. I'll try and zoom in. It won't be great quality. But it has the level, the time, and then also a zones. So zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. I'm just going to leave it off. I don't know what that is, but I guess you could focus on certain areas for the zone. I'm assuming. Don't know. Let's slide this back on to the leg. Looks like I could have it fully zipped and just kind of slide it on. I'll bring it all the way up towards my groin, crotch, whatever. And then we're going to go level 7, 30 minutes. Well, for the purpose of this video, it probably won't go that long. I'm just going to go ahead and start. Oh, they're in sync. Okay. Looks like it's fully charged. I'm going to sit back and relax and let it do its thing. So, like I said, I was really excited about this because after you're having hard leg workouts, I have a massage therapist. Actually, I need to get her on the channel. Her name's Anna. She's always talked about the lymphatic drainage. I am not very well versed or articulate in that subject matter, so I can't really talk about it, but I know that like there's a lot of fluid that can be built up in the legs, and I even remember my dad, he used to have a lot of fluid in his legs when he was alive, and we used to use something similar to this. Actually, my mom threw out the machine. I was so mad, and because I wanted to use it because it was actually a pretty good machine. I forgot the name of it. She donated to Goodwill, but anywho, wanted to use a Normatec, and I remember that my dad's legs, they used to swell up. He had this edema, I forget, but there was a lot of fluid built up, and so this would actually help. Yeah, it was kind of gross because my dad had this wound and it would leak, but these leg sleeves really helped him, and his legs did feel better. He would elevate them on the couch, and then he would throw these on. So immediately it starts with the feet. We were just a minute and 15 seconds in. I feel a nice little bit of pressure. Not a lot. We're at level 7, so it's slowly working its way up the leg. So it starts with the feet, and it just gives you that nice compression. So again, for me, first thing out of surgery, day 2, I just felt my right foot. Someone needed to squeeze it. And I don't know why, maybe having done this before, I felt like I just needed my legs to be squeezed, but that's what I felt I needed. And so especially when I'm using this ice machine, if you saw my previous video, I have the 𝗘𝘀𝘀𝗲 medical device that gives you the compression and the freeze, and it feels good because, you know, when the knee is swollen and inflamed, after I'm done with the icing, the inflammation comes down and the swelling goes down, and literally just pushes that fluid out. So, if you haven't had this done before, you definitely got to try it. You don't have to spend the full $1,000 to get these because now that's about the retail price. I got them on a little Black Friday deal. I think about $8.50 with shipping, but find a therapist or find a center. I actually will encourage you to go to a little, sometimes a cryotherapy center, or maybe you're a chiropractic. I know my chiro, Dr. Zeller, they have these leg sleeves. Even a lot of the cryo centers I've gone to, a few of them, they have these leg sleeves, but they just feel really good. So it went all the way up, and I think it goes through phases. So we are almost 3 minutes in, and I pretty much got the full compression. It'll decompress and compress. You can hear it go. Feels good. It's applying a little pressure onto the feet. And then you can hear it. Now it kind of decompresses, and then it compresses a little bit more. So kind of goes in stages, but you can hear it. It's not too loud. Just got a little humming noise to it, but not bad. Feels good. All right, so now it's going to, we're about 3.5 minutes, 3 minutes, 20 seconds in. So it goes a little compression and it backs off, and then it compresses again. So it started a little bit firmer with the feet. Now I can feel it working in my way onto the calves. And then I'm sure it's going to go into the knees and to the quads. So it doesn't keep it there the whole time. It compresses, and then it decompresses, and then it compresses again. Even out of surgery, they told me that they wanted me to have a little extra compression on the calf, because I assume when they operate on the knee, they say you need to have that compression sleeve on your other leg, or you can get like a blood clot. And the calves are actually your second heart. They help, they're responsible for blood flow moving up and down the legs and through your body. So anyways, it goes to say that your feet get beat up a lot. We're on our feet. We're walking on them all day long, and they get beat up. So if you don't have the opportunity to get a foot massage, get a frozen water bottle, put it in your, get a water bottle, put it in your freezer, and then go ahead and put it on the ground and roll out the bottom of your feet for a few minutes. But also, this is next level recovery. I mean, we are in 2025 now, probably, when you're watching this, 2024. This is when I got these in November. But there's a lot of devices that you can have, and I feel this is probably my next level recovery that I really wanted and needed. So 25 minutes, we are firm on the calves. Looks like it's taking a break. And it's easy. Hold on. She's wanting me to wrap up the video. Feet are looking easy. It's kind of chilling here for a second. Not going to be too much longer. This is just first takes. I'm just going to probably finish this in a few more minutes. But now we're going up to the thighs. Wrapping through. Getting nice compression. Battery's about to die, so we're going to wrap it up. First impression, this thing's awesome. I got the compression in my legs I'm looking for. Feels great, looks great, so didn't have the time to get a pro video edited, but just wanted to throw this up and get this out there. Love the Normatec Elite leg sleeves. I'm going to do another video on this in the future, explain more about it. Just wanted to give you the first glance, first look. This thing feels cool. My legs feel awesome. They're getting to squeeze. It feels good. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Tell your friends and family about the channel. And as you can see, I am starting my week 4 of ACL rehab. And this is going to be crucial in helping reduce inflammation and swelling of my legs. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.